Welcome back to Berry Life, bringing you easy and delicious recipes from around the world. Today we're giving the tofu a bold Korean barbecue makeover with Bulgogi style tofu. It's sweet, savory, garlicky, and loaded with umami in every bite. Crispy edged tofu soaking in mouth-watering marinade. Ready in no time. Perfect for weeknights, meal prep, or whenever Bulgogi cravings hit. Stick around, this one's a flavor bomb you don't want to miss. Start with a block of extra firm tofu. This has been pressed for at least 30 minutes. In our favorite tofu press. If you're interested in getting one, we've included link in the description box below. They're not a sponsor, we just like their press. We want it dry and ready to soak up all that bulgogi magic. We'll cut the tofu into medium-sized cubes. Think bite-sized, but not too small. We want them to hold up in the marinade and still get crispy. Why was the teenage tofu so rebellious? He just wasn't braised right. You can actually cut the tofu any way you want. We just prefer this size because it's easy to enjoy and travels well. This is what we're looking for. Next, in a mixing bowl, we'll add a generous layer of cornstarch. This prevents the tofu from sticking to the bottom. Then, half the tofu. Another layer of cornstarch, then the rest of the tofu, and finish with one more dusting. This layering helps to evenly coat the tofu. We give it a shake and gently toss until each piece is lightly coated and ready for some marinade action. We'll set it aside and prep the other ingredients. For this recipe, we keep it simple, starting with a green onion. We'll need both the white and the green parts. We're going to use a diagonal cut for two reasons. One, it looks fancy, and two, the greater surface area helps with the marinade. What do you call a hobbit with a healthy appetite? Lord of the onion rings. We'll do the same for the white parts, and we'll store them separately. Now we grab an apple. Sweeter the better. We'll need to peel it, so we give it the old around the world treatment. As soon as I started peeling, my wife challenged me to try to make a single ribbon. I think I understood the mission. Who needs a drill to peel apples? One long continuous peel. What? Are we on MasterChef? We only need half. Then remove the stem and the seeds. We're only after the juicy bits. Next, we grab our four-sided spiffy shredder, set it over a glass bowl, and use the small grate to shred the apple into pulp. This will bring sweetness and balance to the marinade. Then we layer the flavors, adding 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce or low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin or rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of agave nectar, and 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, or however much you can handle, for that signature Korean heat. Then, tossing in the sliced white parts of the green onion, and give it all a good stir. This already smells amazing. Now we can go ahead and introduce our dry coated tofu. And gently stir to coat every cube in that sweet, garlicky, spicy marinade, always being careful to avoid breakage. Then we cover it up and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, or leave it overnight in the refrigerator if you want maximum flavor. Let's whip up a quick finishing sauce to give our final dish some drip. In a small bowl, we'll combine 2 tablespoons of gochujang and 2 tablespoons of water. Stir it until it's smooth and silky. That's it, it's as easy as that. With everything prepared, we'll heat up 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in our wok or skillet over medium-low heat. Then, we carefully add the marinated tofu, being careful of splattering. Apple contains a fair amount of water, as well as the sauces we've added to the marinade. Oil and water do not mix. This is a 12-inch hex-clad pan, so we'll only need to do a single batch. But if you have a smaller pan, you'll likely need to do this in 2 batches. Add a little bit more oil if needed. We'll let them cook on one side until golden and lightly caramelized before flipping. You want to be patient here. It will be rewarded. Now we'll flip and sear each side until they're evenly golden and have those irresistible crispy edges. The dark brown on the tofu is the caramelization of the apple pulp. This gives it that slightly sweet, smoky, and complex charred flavors of a Korean street barbecue. You can even replace the apples with sweet pears. This recipe is totally meal prep friendly. It gets even better the next day as the flavors continue to develop. Great for lunches, dinners, or leftovers. But let's face it, it will never see the light of another day. It's just that good. Once the tofu is golden and glorious, we'll make some space in the center of the pan and add in the additional marinade. And allow it to thicken and coat each piece with that sweet, savory, and spicy goodness. Now give everything a gentle toss and a stir. We want that sauce to reduce just slightly and cling to every bite of tofu. Here you want to start keeping an eye on the temperature to avoid the marinade from sticking to the bottom of the pan, as opposed to the tofu. Now, we'll lower the heat to the lowest setting, just to keep things warm, while we drizzle on that smooth gochujang sauce right over the top. And just like that, it takes the dish to a spicy dimension. If you're enjoying this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, for more mouth-watering dishes, visit us at berryberrylife.com. If you love tofu and are looking for more great vegan or vegetarian protein options, check out the playlist at the link above. There are 30 recipes and counting, one for every day of the month. Next, we finish it off with an obligatory sprinkle of sesame seeds and our beautifully vibrant green onions for that pop of color and freshness. If your kitchen smells amazing right now, imagine how good this will taste. Ring the bell because dinner is served. Today we're serving up our Bulgogi style tofu with silky japchae and a cool umami-rich black mushroom salad. Check out the recipes for both at the link above. If this plate makes your stomach growl even a little, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more easy and delicious recipes from around the world. And don't forget to share this video with your foodie friends to spread the love. Also, drop us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. There you have it. Bulgogi style tofu, a bold flavor of Korea right in the comfort of your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!